Extrema, isn't it Extrema's next? Yeah, okay. Some of us are iffy, right, with Extrema, so stay with me, okay, we can fix it today. Okay, if it still hasn't clicked, we can fix it today. So, definition, okay, it means there is a change of direction. You're going up, 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 and then now you're coming down, down. Or you're going down, 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 now you're going up, 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 okay? Or is the most specific high point, specific low point. So if you look at this, would this be describing making money or losing money? Making money, right? Somebody in my class said losing money, but they were reading it this way, right? We always read from left to right, so we're always making money. Is there any point in this where you started losing money? No, it's always making money. So there was no change of direction. Okay, so this would be no extrema. None. We don't have a specific high point, we don't have a specific low point. Okay? Okay, right here. Now, I'm gonna say it different. Let's try to help you if one way doesn't make sense. Okay, so again, if you're struggling, think of a roller coaster. There's a roller coaster. Is there a lowest part, specific part that this roller coaster will hit? Yes. Okay, it's right here. Now let me ask that differently. Is it the lowest part of the whole ride?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so here's how you answer that. It's a relative. Remember, they're all relative because locally speaking, it is the lowest point. But this one is also absolute because it's the lowest point of the whole roller coaster, and it's a minimum. And it happened at 0, 0. Okay. Now, let me say that in simple words, like the way we taught. This would say this is the most low part. Okay, that's what it said. It's the most low part of the roller coaster. Okay, do we have a most high part of the roller coaster? So we don't consider the infinities because they're not specific. Like you can't point to them, they just keep going, going, going. So there's no specific high part, right? So that's all we have. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Helping out, clearing up? Okay, let's try this one. This one's a little trickier. So think of the roller coaster again. Does it have a specific low point on this roller coaster? Yes. Okay. Because once you get to this edge, if you keep going, it's going to fall. Agree? So this is the lowest part. Okay. Even though it doesn't look like it's still the lowest part because this part don't exist. Okay. So relative and absolute because it is the lowest part of the whole roller coaster. And since it's the low part, we call it a minimum. And it happens at 0, 0. Okay. What does this one have? What kind of extrema? So let's talk about the roller coaster. If there's a roller coaster on here, is it going up or down? If you read it from left to right, it's going up. Did it ever start going down?
No.
No. Is there any specific high part or low part? Okay. Because here it just slowed down, but it's still going up. Okay, so none. It's always going up. Never change direction. Always going up. Okay. What is that called, guys? Is it a low or a high? Is it? If it's a roller coaster.
A low.
Lower. It's a low point, right? On a roller coaster, it's like the low part, right? Now, is it the most lower part of the roller coaster? Does it ever go lower than that?
No.
No. So, relative and absolute minimum. Minimum means low part. And it also happens at 0, 0. Are we okay? So ready? Make sure you don't fall off the boat. Okay, stay with me. We're trying to fix these things. So is there something that somebody's like not sure about? It's blurry to you. Clear? Everything clear? Okay. Number 5, a little harder. 6. think about this one real quick. Think about money, if that's someone that helps you, or think about the roller coaster, or think about the change of direction. Okay, they all work. So if this was a roller coaster, what would it be doing right here? Going down, agree? Okay. And then it hits the portal, and then in that same instant, it comes out of the portal. And what is it doing now? Going down. So would you guys agree that it's going down, going down? So it never went up. Okay, even though there's that portal, it's weird, but it's always on the track going down. So there's no change of direction. Sometimes you think it's that little curvature right here, but no, it's still just going down the whole time. Okay, that covers Extrema. Any questions, clarifications on Extrema? Okay, next is symmetry. I'm gonna separate it.